Good evening everybody. Today we are going to learn how to trade with Woodies CCI. This gentleman is Mr. Woodies and founder of Woodies CCI. Let's start. Before CCI setup, we should know what the panel is. This is the panel we are going to trade with Woodies. It contains CCI 20, which is at pink color, and this is turbo CCI and parameter 9 in lime color. This top node is CCI plus 200 and overbought condition. This is trend ribbon and also CCI plus 100. This one is CCI 0 line and it acts as an equilibrium. This is trend ribbon and CCI minus 100, and same way CCI minus 200 and oversold region. These are the R setups. The patterns we are going to cover it today are HFE, hook from extreme, zero line reject, trend line break, ghost pattern, Vegas pattern, Famir pattern, and divergence trade and money management. Before that, we'll see what CCI bar represents. This blue bar represents uptrend. Red bar represents downtrend. This gray bar represents trend is soon going to change, and this yellow line represents trend is changed successfully. This gray bar appear after 5 consecutive close below the zero line or above the zero line. First we have to going to see HFE pattern. This pattern appears on the top, that is plus 200 or minus 200 area, which we consider as overbought and oversold situation. The name implies it exertion of the price of the current trend, similar to stochastic we trade as 80 as overbought zone and 20 as oversold zone. Let's see. Let's see the chart. These are hook from extremes. CCI has hitting plus 200 area and it is falling. And here also HFE pattern appears, which is hitting plus 200 level and it is falling. And this is HFE at the bottom price. From there it is rising. See the trend ride, entire trend ride, how much fall it is making from the hook from extreme. And this one is turbo HFEs. This one also turbo HFEs. We'll see later about this pattern, how to trade with this turbo HFEs. This is my favorite pattern, zero line reject pattern. It consists of 2 lines, same CCI 20 pink in color, turbo CCI 9 lime in color. Explanation what exactly is that in an established trend, continuous blue bar turbo CCI breaks minus 100 or 200 and hooking up. Let's see that. See this one, HFE, it is already done. It came down before cutting this CCI line. Turbo is making below -100 and hooking up. Our entry price is just above this line. That is, this is an established trend, and this turbo CCI is coming down for retracement. So once this is reversed, we should be entering it out. Our entry price is just above the zero line, and see the entry price here, 1207. From there it is hooking up, and it is trend is keep on running, and it is riding, and end of the day it has closed at 1232. Almost 30 points we make here. So this is bull zero line reject. Let's see for the bear pattern. See, these are bear zero line reject, established downtrend, and turbo CCI is hitting +100 and hooking down, and we can see that it is coming down. So our entry would be here itself at 1191, and it is coming and completing this oversold area, that is 1161. We will be booking here, and again it is going up. One more zero line reject trade is coming, so our entry is just below this line. So we'll be second short at this level 1170, and see the trend, it is coming down clearly. One more down. This is also an zero line reject on the -100 level. We are completing our trade at second HFE area at 1110. See how much money it is getting in zero line reject. Okay, so we are going to see second pattern, that is trend line break. It is normal trend line we do trading daily, connecting two highs and two lows, and trend line breaks work great in HFE areas as well as in zero line areas. Let's see. This is one peak, second peak, and we are connecting a trend line. The entry line would be this one CCI breaks down up, breaking up, so we'll be entering it here at the big bar. So see the entire thing, there is no red bar at all, only this place we are getting a sell signal. So we'll be buying it here and keep on running the trade. We'll be exiting out our profits here, and here also we can take profits, but we can have a one more zero line reject trade. We can keep on running the trade until here. We'll be booking out. Same way we see for trend line break on short. Connecting the bottoms, first bottom, second bottom, and this is next or third bottom. We see a breakout here, so we'll be entering just below this level. So see the trend right until it touches HFE area. So we'll be booking out here itself, we'll be booking some profits. And see here, we'll get one more zero line trade also there, but trend blue is not appeared, not even cross zero line. So we can run the trade until it makes one more low. See, there is divergence also there. We'll see divergence at the end of the slide, how to trade with the divergence. So this is the trend line break trades using CCI. My favorite, ghost pattern. We have already familiar about head and shoulder pattern. This we called as powerful reversal patterns, appear at any places. Let's see one more examples. See, this is shoulder 1, head and shoulder 2. And how to trade with this? We draw a trend line connecting the necks, and we'll be entering the trade here. Just above it, we'll be buying the stock. So it is also confirmed that it is broken zero line, and we are in the trend and whole blue color. So we can run till it get back to zero. So we'll be booking out the profits here. So see the trend right is there, so we can hold the stocks and booking out here. Let's see for the bear one. Shoulder 1, this is an head and S2. Our entry will be breakout of this trend line connecting the two necklines. So our trade will be here. So we'll be entering it here short, this place, big bar mosu. See the trend, high HFE. There is no blue bar at all. This is crossing a zero line, but we get an zero line reject trade, so we can run the trade. Here also we can run the trade. Here also we will be running the trade. So we'll be booking out here. So good point of short trade. For scalping purpose, we can do like this: short trade, booking it here, and one more zero line trade, booking it here, one more zero line trade, we'll be booking it here. After completing ghost pattern, we'll see Vegas pattern. Vegas pattern is similar, like we'll be seeing some two mountains on visual. Breakout of, we'll be connecting two extreme lows and highs. Breakout of horizontal line connecting bottoms of the mountains. We call it as Vegas pattern, and we'll trade for the reversal in that. This is also a very powerful reversal pattern. Mostly it will appear as a divergence. Let's see example of Vegas. See, we see two mountains, this one mountain and another mountain. We will be drawing one horizontal line connecting these two mountains. One is here and another one is here. The breakout of this, we will be buying the stocks. So this is our breakout, one candle above it, zero line. This is trend is reversing identification, but before reversing that, because of Vegas pattern, we will be entering the trade here itself. Before entering to here, we can buy it here itself because of Vegas. So above this line we will be buying. So on the, this is 30 minutes chart and a good amount of money we will be getting. Breakout happened at 9956 and we will be booking it out here, and this is a little bit hooks. We will be booking our partials here once it cross plus 100. So 10,098, 142 points we are making in Vegas pattern. Next pattern is Famir pattern. Famir is very similar to Vegas pattern. The only difference is that it happens near zero line and second mountain is a small one. We call it as fast reversals. Let's see that in charts. This is first mountain, this is second mountain, and we are connecting two mountains, drawing a horizontal line of the two mountains. The breakout of this thing will be trading the stocks. See, this is how the trend is riding. Till here there is no buy signal, but we see HFE is there, so we'll be booking some partial outs or we'll be booking out completely. Only difference is that mountain is small in Famir pattern. This is fast reversal. See, a big down bars followed by a fast reversal, again a fast down. This is full fast down. You'll be getting a good money in this. This is very familiar and very familiar to everybody. We have done already with stochastic, RSI and MACD. Now we can find it out with the Woodies CCI. The conditions are very simple. Price making lower low, CCI making higher high, that is long trade. Price making higher high, CCI making lower low, it's a short trade. Let's see examples in chart. New low and CCI new low, it makes higher high. Prices new low, lower low. We will be buying this breakout. Do you see this? This is also a Famir pattern. So we will be buying on the breakout. See the trend ride, a beautiful trend ride, and we can book it out here itself. We will be outing. We will be booking out partials here or full. We can book it out and say thanks to Woodies. We can run until it can break plus 100 is one of the way of running the profits. Once it breaks this plus 100 level, I'll be coming out of the trade completely. This is most important one, money management. You have to be very understandable and you should be following it up correctly. Before taking entry, find out how much risk you can take. Always take minimum risk, higher profits. Always use this. And do not enter the trade in between, without that too, without patterns. Forget about it. If there is no pattern, forget the day. No trading for us. And avoid entries near zero line without patterns. Without patterns in zero line means it is a sideways market and it is going to be a whipsaw and it will take out all the stop losses. Whenever you are entering a trade, you have to use stop loss. Then that only save the money. We can trade, you can use stops using CCI panel itself rather than using price. Develop a nature of running the profits by trial. That means you have to run your profits with discipline. Booking partials, second level book the full one and come out of the trade and find out for the another pattern which is going to be available. Till then, say thanks to Woodies. This is how we can trial the stops and run the profits. Example, we'll take some anything. For an example, we are buying it here because of ghost pattern. We'll be buying it here. It's keep on going up and it's running. It's staying there for the whole day. It's staying fair above the 100 line. So we'll be running it up. We'll get one more zero line reject trade. We'll be having it's running it up. One more zero line trade. We'll be running it up. This place will be entering out. We'll be coming out of this trade. So we'll be taking a short trade. Why a short trade? This is an ghost pattern is there. So we'll be selling it out here. And it's going up. Here we'll get one more zero line reject trade. We'll be shorting it up. Here you have to book half and keep on running. We are booking completely here. Again we'll wait for a pattern to appear. One more zero line trade we'll getting. So we'll be booking out partials here. And this is the place you can run the trial. See, this is HFE. As per the rule, we can cover it out here itself. But while trialing the stops, we can take a chance until CCI crosses above 100. Minus 100. Sorry. See, almost we are getting some more points in this trade. We'll be coming out of here, which is around 1134. Rather than covering at 1160, 1155 here, we'll be making some extra 20 points. First, thanks to the discoverer Mr. Woodies. I have to thank to the fellows. And next, Shri uncle who taught me CCI trades. Really thanks to him. And support to my brother Nandu. Thanks for watching Woodies CCI Patterns. Have a nice day, guys.